In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Trends for remote work trends fast and easy. This tool is incredibly powerful for tracking how interest in various topics, like remote work, evolves over time, and it's available for free. Let's dive in and explore how you can leverage Google Trends to stay ahead in the remote work landscape. First, you want to head to Google and type in Google Trends. It's usually the very first link that pops up, which makes it easy. Just click on it. Once you're on the Google Trends homepage, you'll see various options and data being showcased. Our focus today will be on using the Explore feature, so go ahead and click that. Now, in the Explore section, there's a search bar at the top. Let's start by entering some remote work-related keywords. You might try terms like remote work, work from home, hybrid work, or even digital nomad. These keywords are fundamental in identifying the trends we're interested in. Just type your desired term and press Enter. After you've hit Enter, you'll see a trend graph. This graph displays the popularity of your search term over time. It's visually intuitive, with peaks indicating high interest and troughs reflecting lower interest. But that's just the start. To get more specific, you'll want to use the filters at the top to choose your region and time range. You can set the location to a specific country, like the United States or the United Kingdom, or leave it as worldwide for a broader view. For the time range, selecting the past 12 months gives you a snapshot of current trends, while a span of 5 years will show more long-term changes. Next, a great feature on Google Trends is the ability to compare multiple search terms. Click on the plus compare button to add another related term. This comparison tool is invaluable for seeing which keywords are gaining traction and can provide insights into shifts in the remote work environment. Once you have your graph and comparison set up, take a moment to interpret what the trend lines tell you. An upward trend signifies growing interest, often pointing to emerging opportunities or shifts in the way people work remotely. Conversely, a downward trend may indicate that interest is waning, possibly signaling an area that is becoming oversaturated or less relevant. Finally, don't forget to scroll down to the Related Topics and Related Queries sections. These provide an excellent way to spot new remote work trends or emerging buzzwords. Related topics can give you broader context, such as tools or platforms that are becoming popular, while related queries often highlight specific rising searches like remote jobs near me, which can be crucial for localized understanding. Utilizing these features on Google Trends can give you not only a macro view of remote work trends, but also actionable insights to adapt to the fast-evolving digital workplace. Happy exploring!